Now that you've created a WIX account and you've logged into WIX and you have chosen what group of templates you'd like to look at, you can scroll through and pick a template. And there's so many great ones to choose between. It doesn't matter which one you start with. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to hover over it, and you'll see I can choose between edit and view. If I click on view, it just lets me look at it without committing to it. If I then want to commit to it, if I really do like it, I can click up here on edit this site, or I can close it and go back and choose another one. So let's say I definitely want to use this one with the cats. That looks like a great one for people working with animals. So I'm going to click edit. And now I'm going to show you how to use some of the basic features of WIX. It's pretty easy. There are really 4 main things you need to be able to do. You need to be able to insert and edit text, insert and edit photos, and insert and edit video. In addition, you need to be able to insert and edit pages. Those are the things I'm going to take you through. Now, when you come to your template, you can always watch a video that will tell you how to work with the editor. I'm going to close that. I'm just going to run you through very quickly. The first choice is background. And if you want to change your background, you just click on it and you can choose from their backgrounds if you want, or you can choose an image that you've uploaded, or a video, or just a basic color. And if you choose it, it applies just to the page you're on. If you want it to apply to all your pages, you would click where it says apply to other pages. So example, if I wanted this one, and that's a video, I'm going to click there, close it, and you'll see it's actually in the background. This is a picture here, not a background. If I click on the cat and hit delete, you'll see it as my background. I'm going to hit Control-Z to put the cat back, and I'm actually going to go back to my background and maybe just choose a color instead. And now you see that's the color as my background, and this is a picture of a cat. All right, so that's how you deal with background. Then for adding anything you want to insert, like text, video, or pictures, you can add to the plus, and you click there, and there's tons of stuff you can add. So for text, you just click on text. You come over here, you can do a title if you want. If I click on title, it pops in a title, double click, and that highlights the text and brings me this window that allows me to change things about the text, like the size and the font. I can also click on the link right over here, and that allows me to create a hyperlink out to a URL. And that would be for a title. If I wanted a paragraph, when I click on add and text, I would come down here to a paragraph. I'm a paragraph. Click there, move your paragraph to wherever you want it, double click and edit. So the next thing you need to know is how to insert an image, which is right after text. So you have to have images. They have images available for you to choose between under their image collections, or you can upload images. So let's say you have an image from a website you want to include. What you can do is click here on My Image Uploads and make sure that you've created a screenshot, which you'll probably use your clip tool to do that, and save it to your desktop. And then you can come here to upload images. And then I would go to my desktop for whatever image I want, and I could click on that image and click open. It will upload it, and you can see that all the images I've uploaded to WIX are available to me for any of my websites. So you can see pictures I've used in other websites. And now if I want to insert that one, I choose it and then click Add to Page. As far as videos, you can come down to Video, and we probably use a lot of YouTube, so I'm going to click on YouTube. And this is pretty cool. You just double click, and then right here you put the link from YouTube, and it will update that. Now, in addition to adding things to your pages, you need to know how to create pages and delete pages. when you use a template, it's going to have pages that are already in there for you. So if you look at this top bar up here, see where it says home, our services, about our clinic, keep in touch. Pages that were created automatically. We don't want all those pages. So what we're going to do is go up here to where it says pages. Click on that, and we can delete any pages we don't need, which probably you'll just keep the first page, or maybe one or two others that you edit. So I'm going to click on any I don't want and click on delete. And as I click on them, you'll see the link to them disappear from this top home page, from the menu in the home page. I'm going to delete keep in touch. And maybe I keep these other pages and I just tweak them. If I want to change the name of a page, all I have to do is click on the three dots and rename it, and that also changes what the link is called at the top of our home page. So instead of our services, maybe I'm going to change this name to Animal Rescue. Click done, and now you'll see Animal Rescue at the top because that's the name of the page. And then I click here to go to that page, and it took me to the Animal Rescue page, and I can come here. Make sure I'm on the right page. Yeah, I can come here and I can adjust any of this that I want to. If I want to go to the page about our clinic, I click there and it takes me to that page as well. So the way that you move from page to page is by using the pages here, and then you can go edit whatever pages you want to add. You can also add a page by clicking on this blue button. Now, when it comes to saving, you want to click the Save button at the top fairly regularly as you're working, but always remember you have to click Publish in order to see what it really in order for people to see what it really looks like. So your saves are not published until you click Publish. So I can also click Preview to see what this is actually going to look like. I can go back to the editor to make changes and then click Publish when I'm ready.